This is the beginning of my 40-meter Rock-Mite project by Small Wonder Labs. There's the assembly manual. I've already taken inventory of all the parts and pieces. Well, most of the parts and pieces. This is the accessory kit, the knob accessory kit. I haven't opened that yet. I'm not going to open that until I get ready to put those parts in. This is the board. The back side. It's the component side. There's one place, I actually have that upside down. It's pretty shiny here, but right here, right there is a surface mount chip that I'm going to have to solder on. I've never done any surface mount stuff. It's an anti-static bag with all the transistors. There is two 2N 7000 MOSFETs, one standard 2N 2222 transistor, and the couple others in there, couple of 2N 4401 transistors. That surface mount, there is a couple of IC sockets for U2 and U3, and U2 and U3 are right there. And in that little bag, inside of this bag, you can't really tell. You can see that there's another bag in there, but in that little small bag inside of this anti-static bag is the U1, is the surface mount IC chip. It's an 8-pin. That's going to be a tough one for me. I've never soldered any IC stuff. This is the 174 coax, little short piece you get for the BNC connector, a knob, a couple other pieces. This is a haven't really looked a whole lot at it, but this is a supplement for 40 meter. It's a 150 picofarad cap and a 3.3 microhenry choke, and I ordered the kit for the novice band 7.114 megahertz. I haven't quite learned code yet, so I'm working on that, but a little note here: effective June 1, 2004, and retroactively, all amateur transmitters installed after January 1, 2003, the FCC spurious emissions requirement was modified to more stringent standards. The Rock-Mite design was legal at that time of its introduction, but now requires a minor modification to remain so. The enclosed two components should be installed in series between the Rock-Mite board and the antenna connection and the antenna connector center. In series between the Rock-Mite board antenna connection and the antenna connector, the center conductor. The new FCC requirements are satisfied once these components are in place. I don't know exactly what that'll do, but I have a lot of fun building these kits. I'm not really an electronics wizard. I'm trying to learn that, but slowly getting there. This is the inventory sheet. A couple of pages that come with it. The connectors and control set, that's what's in this bag here with the ribbon cable. I ordered that in addition. Was a couple of bucks, I figured, for the extra few bucks that I couldn't gather all that stuff up for the same price. Wiring schematic comes with it. Component location, a little assembly sequence. There's not really much for assembly sequence, but basically tips and hints. a suggested sequence, and then at the very end, Rock-Mite operation. I'm going to follow this, follow the assembly on the website here, hopefully pretty closely, and see how it goes. I'll get a few parts installed and continue the hopefully continue the video. I don't know if I'll be able to piece patch these together, but I'm going to give it a shot. I've never done any video either, so the whole thing is new. 73 for now. W4 CJB. W4